Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my kitchen. You probably haven't seen much of it. We have 3 gifts that are almost done. They just need to dry. They have Mod Podge on them. They're kind of dry, but still a little sticky. I have some in the box already that are ready to be given. And sorry to anybody who's seen this. These are your Christmas gifts. This was my list of things to do today. Nate, read this. This is what I need to do today. So, I ordered one more LED kit for the vending machines. Finish the Christmas gifts. That's those ones. I have go to the bank for the vending money. I need to go to the bank and put in all the vending money that I've earned. I need to, oh dang it, see Nancy and bring her money. Nancy, I told you today's video is going to be really good. Nancy is selling me a bunch of tools and I need to bring her money and go get the rest of the tools. Clean and organize. This is a big pile of boxes and crap that needs to be put away. So I need to do that, and that's what I'm going to be working on now. I can't do anything now until the wife gets home. The kids are here. I don't want to do errands with the kids. Who wants to do errands with the kids? I mean, I could, but she'll be home in 2.5 hours anyway. And I'll still have time to go to the bank. Oh, I also need to send a computer I sold on eBay. That's in this box right here. But in the meantime, I'm going to clean up this pile of boxes and crap. Get some of the vending stuff organized. Get it ready to be put in today. The university where I have one of my vending machines is going to be closed from like the 23rd to like the 3rd. Kids left the popcorn chicken out. So I don't think I'm going to fill that one up. The courthouse needs chips and the 2 hotels just need to be checked. But for right now, cleaning this mess up. This corner is kind of clean. I still have some tools to put into the shed, but I'm not doing that quite yet. These are almost ready to be packed up and ready to go. Now we're on our way to go to the bank to exchange the vending money and to Nancy's house to get the rest of the tools that I got from her. Success. We have bank where we saw Nancy and got stuff. Now, just cleaning and organizing. Send eBay computer. Crap. So this is what we got at Nancy's house. This whole back is full. Not that, I got that at Harbor Freight yesterday. But everything else we got at Nancy's. And everything in here too. She's moving, cleaning out her shed. So I said, I will take one of everything. And that's about what she has. There's some power tools in there. Chains and straps. Some cosmetic things. There's a torch back there for torching weeds. It's hard to see. Just random baskets and gloves. Extension cords. I could have used those for the vending machines. That's what we got from Nancy. I just have to move all this into the shed. Having a little bit of fire tonight. Got this new fire pit. This is one of the things I got from Nancy. And over here, I'll turn my light on so you guys can see. Even though I only have like no % battery. But I started working on this pile. It's about half of what it was. Got all that burned. I've got some bigger pieces over here I need to use the chainsaw for, but that'll be for the daytime. And I've got some various pieces of wood over here. This is just like old fencing, 2x6s, etc. Then some fire starter, some kindling right over here, and then my stupid tarp. Oh, there's also this plywood here. That plywood needs to be broken down a little bit more so it can fit in the fire pit. So the other day, I actually had to take the battery from this truck and put it into my truck because the battery died finally. This is a battery that I had from a 2002 Honda CR-V I think is what it was. And I got the car, I think it was like 250 bucks. And I ended up just scrapping it or giving it away or selling it. I don't remember, but I took the battery out of it because it was like newish. And I've been using it in my truck since, man, it's been 4 years now, at least. 425 cold cranking amps, which for a V8 is not ideal. But it worked. It worked and it cranked good for quite a long time. And then the last couple days, it's been, it could be my alternator or generator, whatever one this one has, going out, but I think it's more the battery. Plus it got cold. I'm going to throw it on my charger, just see what it says. If it says it's good, then I'll know that the alternator's going out in the truck, or not producing the voltage that it should, and I'll have to check that out. It's all just cold now, really. I think tonight's going to be the first hot tub night since we got it back going again. I got the stairs all set up to it. It's not snowing yet. The forecast is showing snow for Thursday, I think. That's tomorrow. But it's not until like midnight, and it's only for like an hour. I'm going to hop in the hot tub, relax for the rest of the night, just chill out, watch some YouTube videos. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing and clicking that bell. And I'll see you tomorrow.